Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq. As we make headway into the fourth quarter, a lot has been going on in the crypto space for sure, but specifically in the branding department. How are brands distinguishing themselves in this crypto bear market? Here to speak more about this is Mayur Gupta. He's Kraken's Chief Marketing Officer. He joins me at the Nasdaq market site to provide more information on Kraken's future plans and strategy for the end of the year. It is great to see you again, Mayur. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thanks, Jill. Thanks for having me over.
And Kraken's been in the news. You've had a recent a change in leadership with the incoming CEO. How has this changed Kraken's business objectives and brand strategy, if at all?
Yes, you're right. Jesse just recently announced he's going to be the chairman of the board, and Dave's taking over. But nothing's really changed for us. We are still absolutely focused on our mission to empower people and find new ways to connect and transact. We are still focused on the global adoption of crypto. So nothing really has changed at Kraken. We are using this year to lay the foundation for marketing at Kraken, and excited about even this bear run. Excited about starting to scale next year.
You know, it's interesting, even though we've had a crypto bear market, really Bitcoin, for example, hasn't really done much of anything. It's hovering around that 20,000 level. How has that impacted your recent branding efforts and future for marketing initiatives?
Yeah, interestingly, it's worked really well for us because even though Kraken just celebrated 11 years of our existence, marketing is still in its early stages. So we've always planned to use this year to establish marketing as a growth engine. So a lot of plumbing we've had to do. We're bringing some incredible leaders on board. So this bear run has actually given us a great opportunity to build that muscle, to build the underlying foundation, bring data and science to really understand the audience. And also, this is not the first bear run that Kraken has seen. This is our third, perhaps. And we were never impulsive when it was a bull run, at least from a marketing standpoint. We were steady. And we are not being impulsive right now. So we're moving steadily, and a lot of exciting stuff coming early next year.
You had mentioned that Kraken's been around for 11 years, which makes it one of the older players in the crypto exchange market, and there's more that are coming on. How do you continue to distinguish the brand, or in other words, why Kraken?
Yeah. That's a great question, and we discuss that a lot. There's no question that from a product standpoint, this is the point where a lot of platforms will start to differentiate themselves based on the choices we make, and we are doing a lot of great stuff with our NFT marketplace, diving deeper in consumer. But overall, I strongly believe that it is going to be the emotional and the cultural connection that brands like Kraken will continue to build that will differentiate, especially with a younger audience. They're not just looking for the utility or the functional value, they're also looking for some much deeper emotional value, which has been the core and the soul of Kraken all along.
When you think about 2023 and beyond and what's next for Kraken, whether it's sponsorships or partnerships, what can we look forward to?
A lot of exciting stuff. We are pushing hard to show up at the global scale from a marketing standpoint. So you will hear a lot more exciting things. Very excited about a number of partnerships. In fact, in this quarter, we are doing some exciting things with Decentraland Metaverse, which we sponsored last year. We continue to do that this year at an even bigger scale, launching our NFT marketplace. But we are going to introduce and share some more exciting partnerships in sports and entertainment with our own unique touch, not trying to be the loudest voice, but being very honest and authentic to who we are.
Right. Well, we look forward to covering it. Thanks so much for joining us on Trade Talks. Thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.